Good morning. Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for prayer. ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। May God bless you all with good health. Have a good day. Now let's see what we have done in our previous class.
Ma'am, say everyone to off for mic and video.
Ma'am, we have completed page number 2 and 3.
Ma'am.
1, 2, 3 and 4.
Everyone.
Ma'am, say Nirva to mute.
Yes, everyone. We talk to us. Now, grammar. Complete the sentences with suitable nouns. Mention each or proper abstract collective of some nouns. Yes.
Ma'am, you need to from you. Maybe unseen passage 2.
Ma'am, Nirva Panchotia mute नहीं कर रही है.
Ma'am, 5 and 6.
Your class is world's most indisciplined class. One of the most indisciplined class in the world.
Ma'am, mute Nirva Panchotia.
Yes, Nirva. Mute beta.
Ma'am, I was asking that in the unseen passage 2 of chapter number 1, that Chaurasia 1, ma'am, question number 5 and 6 are remaining.
How has Chaurasia been honored?
Yes,
right?
ma'am, and claim a sentence of your own with the word compose. These both.
Now, I want discipline. This will not help you longer, beta. Be attentive. Question number 5. Chaurasia has been honored by numbers of awards like Sangeet Natak Academy, Konark Samman, Padma Bhushan, Yash Bharti Samman and Padma Vibhushan. Start writing. Here, topic 1.
Ma'am, please mute Nirva Panchotia.
Beta, I will disconnect, not mute. If I find someone being unmute without any reason, I will disconnect the student. Nirva Panchotia, I am going to disconnect you. All the time I have to look after about your discipline. Mubin, switch off your mic. Now, write down. Chaurasia has been honored by, here, unseen passage 2, first one. Chaurasia has been honored by a number of
Ma'am, write with the black pen.
numbers of awards. Yes, beta. Like Sangeet Natak, Academy, Konark Samman, Padma Bhushan, यश भारती सम्मान, यश भारती सम्मान and Padma Vibhushan. And Padma Vibhushan. Now sixth one, fifth one and sixth one now. Frame a sentence of your own with the word compose. Pritam is well-known composer of our country. He has composed many beautiful songs. Write down. Pritam is a well-known composer of our country. He has composed many beautiful songs. Many beautiful songs. Now next one, grammar.
Ma'am, please can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yes, beta. Yes, I am waiting. Okay. Whenever you finish, you can tell me. Okay. Wait. Whenever you finish, you can tell me. Till then, I am drinking water.
Ma'am, I have finished.
Ma'am,
finished.
No.
No, ma'am, wait for 2 minutes.
Yes, beta. I am writing this side. Okay, you can write it. All right. Now see the next one, grammar part. Complete this sentence. Suitable mention if they are common, proper, abstract, collective, or compound nouns. The name of my dog is Tommy or Tom.
Ma'am, it is a proper noun. It is a proper noun.
Tom here, proper noun.
Ma'am, we can write Tommy.
Yes, you can write Tommy or whatever your dog's name. Tommy, Angel, Daisy, whatever. Now, always speak truth. Always speak the truth.
Abstract noun. Abstract noun.
Very good. Very good. Truth. Abstract noun. Third one. The sitting on the tree were the dash sitting on the tree chirping loudly. The birds.
Collective noun. No, common noun, ma'am. Common noun. Common noun.
Very good. Fourth one. We saw a dash of ships in the harbor. Fleet.
Fleet. It is collective noun. Collective noun. Collective noun.
Very good. Now fifth one. A pupa grows into a cocoon. Cocoon.
Cocoon. Compound noun, ma'am. Compound.
Compound noun.
Done, ma'am.
Wait for a while.
Complete, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Now, complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Do you have dash food for all the guests?
No. Do you have enough? Enough.
Very good, Nishtha. Very good, Nishtha. Second one.
Ma'am, answer of second is plenty
There
of.
is a
The
in
large
the
amount,
lake.
ma'am.
A large amount.
The large amount.
Plenty of.
Plenty
Beta, plenty of. There is water in the lake. There is plenty of water in the lake. The city will not face water problem. Plenty of. Third one. A dash students have taken French as their second.
A lot of.
Some.
A lot of. Fourth one. The principal was angry because students did not attend the.
Some students.
Fifth one.
A large
Money.
amount.
A large amount of money has been spent on the project.
A large amount. Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Wait for a while.
Done.
Wait.
When many is remaining? Then my remaining one. Many is remaining, ma'am.
It's okay, beta. No problem.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
add
My
a suffix to the end of each. Bright, brightest, or brighter. To write here. Is it okay if I write? Is it okay if I write?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
BRIGHT, brighter or brightest. Both can be done. Now second one.
Ma'am, we can write both.
Younger or younger?
Ma'am, we can write both.
Yes, you can write both. Third one. Worthless.
Worthless. Forever. For you.
Kindness.
Kindness.
Now,
Done, ma'am.
word meaning to become lighter.
Dim.
Here.
To get dim.
Weightless. Where to write? Is it okay if I write over here?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. If you will write, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
where you have written the suffix question, if you write below it, then also it would be okay.
Okay. Now see word meanings here. Word meanings, first one, weightless. Most people,
Youngest.
younger.
Ma'am, if we
Or
write
youngest.
youngest, then is it okay?
Yes, Beta, someone is speaking.
Ma'am, Obi.
You.
Name say to moment.
And Mike. The quality of being kindness.
Kind.
Now,
Done, ma'am.
a diary entry on a field trip you want to write with your friends. Write a diary entry on a field trip you went with your friends. Start
Excuse me,
writing.
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, yesterday the test which you sent was a little bit of off from our syllabus. Ma'am, it was a little bit of difficult.
Ma'am says me to mute.
Smith Vasani. Nishtha, see, for marks I am going to form that one. For marks I am going to form Satwala test, right? For 10 marks. Within 2 days before Saturday you will
Ma'am.
test for first chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Again I am here, सुन लो ध्यान से 6A. If possible on this Saturday, you will have 10 mark ka test on first chapter or 20 marks. What is convenient for you, 10 or 20? Google
20.
TikTok.
20. 10.
Okay, 20 confirm, right?
Ma'am, yesterday you sent that link that we want anyone to play with. 20. Ma'am, 20. Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, please, 20.
Start writing. Diary entry. First day, September 22. You are having lot of space to write properly. September, September 22, 2020 or 21. Now, here,
After we have to skip, right?
yes, 10:30 p.m. Dear diary, now start writing to the next line. I am very happy today. The school organized an excursion. The school.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of excursion that you said right now?
Yes. Excursion, beta. Excursion means small study-related visit. Okay? Study-related visit means
Okay, ma'am.
excursion. Organized.
Ma'am, like a visit to museum or
Yes.
or a police station.
Or if you are having chapter regarding money, so you can visit to the bank to know about the exchange and all these transactions. So this is called excursion of math. Organized.
Police station.
Yes. Excursion to Science City. To Science City. Kapurthala and Wonderland. Kapurthala and Wonderland.
Ma'am, when we were in fourth, once we visited to our police station on Jail Road.
Yes, Wonderland. The
Ma'am, in jail road, my friend is living, so it's his papa, his mom's in is police, so I know.
Ma'am, after Wonderland, we want to write skip a one line.
Yes, yes. You are having lot of space, so you can skip one line. Amusement park in Jalandhar. Yes, beta. It's okay. In Jalandhar. In Jalandhar, it was real fun visiting both the places with class fellows. Visiting both.
Ma'am, please type this for 1 minute. I'm
With
writing that first.
class. Yes, beta, wait. Yes. Now okay?
Yes, ma'am, it's okay.
Class fellows. Now can I come back?
Yes, ma'am, you can come back.
And teachers. Then now skip one line. Skip one line. The ride from school to the park.
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
written
beta.
on one line. I have written each and every sentence by skipping one line.
Okay, then you can draw the line for next page.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
The ride from school to the park.
ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, when we have to skip line, please draw in bold line like this.
I have driven it. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
The students sang. The students sang. The students sang songs and danced in the moving bus.
Ma'am, what have you written after sang songs and after and what have you written?
D-A-N-C-E-D, dance in the moving bus. In the moving bus, we enjoyed the ride. We enjoyed the ride.
Ma'am, after student, that is song or sang?
Sang
Okay.
songs. The park echoed.
Ma'am, what do you write after sang, song and?
The park echoed.
Ma'am, what do you write after sang, song
And dance in moving bus. Echoed with our excited cries. Echoed with our excited cries. A delicious lunch was provided to the students by the park banquet hall.
Ma'am, now how much we have to write?
It is little now. Few lines better. Science city. We saw various models of science.
Which number is it?
Various models of science. We saw the miniature model miniature.
Ma'am, what do you write after delicious or delicious?
Delicious lunch. LUNCH. Now write down miniature models of Mangalyaan. The Indian moon,
Please, little bit side.
the Indian moon mission
Ma'am,
to
can you
Mars.
please take your mobile closer to the board?
Let me try. Wait. Now okay?
Yes,
Ma'am, not
yes,
real.
ma'am.
मैम थोड़ा ऊंचा करो फोन। मैम वो कट रहा है बोर्ड नीचे से।
Okay? Mars.
Okay, ma'am.
Akash. Prithvi. Agni. Missile. We also saw then line, we also saw the Jurassic Park.
Ma'am, now my space is now my full space has been filled. So can I write at the bottom space?
Yes, Nishtha.
मैम
Dictated. Yes.
मैम ध के बाद क्या लिखा है? मैम व्हाट यू राइट आफ्टर मीनिंग? मैम model of Italian the
Indian moon. Dictate
मैम
in model. In model, it was a great trip. Great trip. I will cherish
Ma'am,
it all my life.
Ma'am, what you are writing on that side we can't see because of you are writing more space. Can you please put your mobile to right side some? Yes, ma'am. Listen after. वो पीछे वाला कट रहा है आपका जो पीछे वाला
बेटा I am having only 2 hands. Do you know? Only 2 hands, beta. It will take time.
After Agni.
Prithvi. Agni missiles. M-I-S-S-I-L-E-S. Missiles, beta.
Ma'am, please keep it for 5 minutes because I am drawing lines, so it is taking time.
Yes, beta. I am not going to erase it. Wait for a while. Let me arrange the camera. Now is it okay? See. Now is it okay?
Ma'am, it is.
Now write down, okay? I am giving you 3 minutes. Write down.
Ma'am, now how much is this diary entries remain?
Done, beta.
My completed.
Good.
Ma'am, what you
Now we are going to solve chapter 4, chapter 2. Today, what's the
Ma'am,
time?
wait,
Let
5
me
minutes.
check. Okay.
Ma'am, please side.
Ma'am, please
Okay,
wait
right.
for 5 minutes. Ma'am, what you have written after the Agni?
Missiles, beta. Agni after missiles. M-I-S-S-I-L-E-S. Welcome.
Ma'am, I completed. Ma'am, in
Very
second paragraph. Ma'am, in last paragraph, what you write after we also show the.
We also saw the
Ma'am,
SAW song. The Jurassic Park era depicted in model. It was a great trip. I will cherish it all my life.
Ma'am, Ma'am, now it is over. That.
Yes, beta. Now we are going to start scene passage 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait for a while.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, would you send PDF? Ma'am, will you send the PDF for this? Ma'am, I done.
Ma'am, my book is done.
Okay. Now see, we are going to solve scene passage 1 of chapter 2 in the worksheet. Kindly open the textbook.
Ma'am, I am taking a screenshot and then I will complete it as my homework.
What's your name?
Nishtha.
What happened, Nishtha?
Ma'am, my whole space is filled. So I was drawing lines, so it was taking time. That's why my one paragraph is remaining.
Till we read the passage, you can write down. You are having lot of time. Okay? Don't be tension slow. It is for you people. Class is for you people. Why you are increasing your load at home? You can complete it as classwork. Till then we will read the passage.
Ma'am, my work is completed.
Very good. Now, rest of you, let Nishtha and few of you complete their work. Open chapter number 2 in textbook. It was Easter till they met. Who will read this passage? Page number 13 of your textbook.
May I? Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, beta. I think it's Swara.
Ma'am, Dvija, not Swara.
Okay, Dvija, you can read.
Okay, ma'am.
Nishtha, you and few of you whose work is incomplete, you people can complete from here, and till then we will read the passage. Yes,
Ma'am.
Better start reading.
Ma'am, can I?
It was Easter and snow still lay in the yard. Water from the melting snow rained in streams down the village streets. Two little girls from different houses happened to meet in a lane between two homes where the dirty water farms had run down to form a line. One was very small, the other bigger. Their mothers were dressed in new frocks. The little one wore blue and the other yellow. Structured
Okay. Now, what does Easter mean? What do you mean by Easter? What is the meaning of Easter? Who will tell me?
No. Ma'am, it is a festival.
Who will explain what do you mean by Easter?
Ma'am, can I do so? I will try.
Okay.
Ma'am, in third part of board model of that after what word is written?
Beta, I am not going to write answer. What's your name?
Ma'am, not that. You have divided board into three parts. In the third part, in first line there is written models
of Mangalyaan, the Indian moon mission to Mars.
Okay.
Akash Prithvi Agni missile. Okay. Now see, wait for a while. Let me take it more closer. Now write down first one. What do you mean by Easter? What does Easter mean? Easter is a festival celebrated by Christians. Write down. Easter is a festival celebrated by Christian. Second one. Describe the scenery from the first paragraph.
Ma'am, may I answer? The scenery in the first paragraph, it is telling that there are two girls who meet in the lane between two homes, where the dirty water from farms run down and form into large puddle.
and the one girl was small and she was.
Wait, Dvija, what do you scenery means natural thing? Listen.
Okay, ma'am.
The
scenery was like that. There were two houses. In between there was a puddle, and ma'am, I know that much.
Ma'am, may I answer this question, Nishtha?
In a lane between two homes. Okay, yes, beta. The dirty water from the farms had run down the lane to form a large puddle. Yes.
Ma'am, may I answer, Nirva?
Yes, Nirva.
In the sensory paragraph, there was
Only 5 minutes are remaining. Attendance.
from
Beta, we are having period till 12 o'clock. Okay? Till we are having 6 minutes.
Okay, sorry by mistake.
6 minutes.
Beta, it's okay. You are worried about the present. That's why I'm telling you. We are still having 6 minutes. Today's homework is solve scene passage 1 of chapter 2 in your worksheet. Scene passage 1 and 2. Today's homework, solve scene passage 1 and 2. Or wait. Not scene passage. Homework is learn the question answers of chapter 2 at home.
Chapter 2. Okay, ma'am.
We will solve worksheet each and every word in school itself. Today your homework is to learn question answers of chapter 2 at home.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now it's the time of present.
Okay, ma'am.
Give me your present here, right? Type yes ma'am in the chat box. Wait for a while. Today 6th A. Yes. Start. Mahi Aghara. Mahi present. Yes. Very good, Mahi. Sarang Aghara. Sarang Aghara. Mannat Arya. Mannat. Mubin Baktharia. Mubin Bagatharia. Yash Bhayani. Yash Bhayani. Sham Bhimani. Sham Bhimani. Soumya Bhimani. Jai Charola. Okay. Soumya Bhimani, roll number 7. Present. Jai Charola. Bhavya Sai. Bhavya Sai. New Dava. New Dava. Jia Desai.
Jia Desai present, ma'am.
Dev. Dev. Shamgami. Shamgami. Rishabh Gandhi. Nishtha.
Nishtha Gula
Divya.
present, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Divya Halwadia. Divya. Yashika Jain.
Present, ma'am. Yashika Jain.
Veer Kela.
Ma'am, can we
Veer.
leave?
Ma'am, can.
Yes, beta. Yes, Veer.
Ma'am, who's the next? Ma'am, Yashika Jain.
Priyanshu. Darshil. Nirva Panchotia.
Naranya
Nirva.
present. Ma'am, Darshil Naranya is present.
Harry Patel. Yes, beta. Harry Patel.
Harry Patel present, ma'am. Harry Patel present.
Hero Pokhari. Niyati Rayani. Akshara Rankara.
Ma'am, whose attendance is done, they can leave.
Yes, beta. Heer Sarodia. Heer Sarodia. Veer Sarsavadia. Heer Sarodia. नहीं, स्वरा सोनी. Rija Togadia. Soumya Trivedi.
Present, ma'am. Swara Soni.
Okay, Soumya Trivedi, Soumya Trivedi. Kavya Vadera.
Kavya Vadera present.
Kavya, why you were too silent today? Ridisha. Smith Vasani.
Smith Vasani present, ma'am.
Ashutosh. Jay Sarvalia. Okay. See now, Ridisha, Soumya Trivedi, Heer Sarodia, Sarang, Sham, Bhimani Jay Charola, Divya Halwadia, Veer Kaila. These students are absent today, right?
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Today's homework is to learn question answers of chapter number 2 at home. I hope all of you will enjoy learning the question answers. After so many times you get to learn. Okay? Have a good day. Bye bye. You can leave the class.
Bye, ma'am.